Hey, it's been a while since we've done vocab, but we're ready to pick back up Unit 5. You should have all of education and subjects completed. Today, we're starting with the next 10 under general. Okay, the last class that we did vocab in, we finished with the sign yearbook. Ready? First sign is to look for. You can see it one-handed, but I prefer two. The next sign is study. I use this sign a lot in class. Study. The next sign, test or a quiz. I think you know that sign already from previous classes. The sign comes from question, 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 question. So a test or a quiz has a lot of questions. Test, quiz. The next sign is a compound sign. You put two signs together to make one new one. Homework, homework. The next sign, think, think, think. The next sign, correct or right. The next sign, wrong, wrong. The next sign, paper. Notice how I go off my palm by my wrist. Paper. Next sign, sentence, sentence, sentence. And last sign for today, story, story. Ready?